Compassion and respect are something that this business thrives on. And as a member of the LGBTQ+ community, I can't tell you how much it is that those two values mean with regards to communicating outside of work. I'm a full-time drag queen. A lot of employers would kind of just say, okay, you know, this is a hobby, and you just kind of push that to the side. Craig literally took something that really is cathartic for me in so many different ways and said, this is something special about you, and I want to show you that it's possible to do whatever it may be with this idea. When the opportunity came for me to work alongside the community, I automatically knew that I would like our firm to somehow be part of Palm Beach Pride. This is an event where anyone can go feeling like themselves and be able to meet different businesses, organizations, and people who stand out in the community to say, hey, I'm here to help you. No matter who you are, or what your background is, or how you choose to identify, we're here to create a community that is accepting and full of love so that people know that they have a place to turn to.